For me, it was really interesting to start to see how astrology relates to yoga, and particularly tantric yoga. So the word tantra is, I think, misunderstood sometimes, but the word tantra, like a lot of other Sanskrit words, has a lot of meaning packed into it. So it means a few different things, and when we look at all the different things that make up that word, we start to get a definition. So the word tantra means to expand. It also means to weave. Right? So Debbie's a weaver as well, and when she's weaving, this tapestry is expanding and growing and creating on the loom. So it's kind of that type of image. But Tantra also means a technique. So when we think about these things together, we can imagine that the practice of Tantra, the technique, is something that helps to expand our conscious awareness, to see that we are interwoven in that vast tapestry of life that includes the earth, all the planets, the sun, the galaxy, all of the galaxies, the entire cosmos. And that story that we told about the stardust falling down and making up everything that we are, this is the key, It's like everything is made from the same stuff. And so we can look at it from a very logical, scientific point of view and say, yes, we are all one because we're made of the same stuff. And when our bodies die, it goes back into that big reweaving of the world, and what we're made of becomes something else. So this is the worldview of Tantra. It's just to remember that we are a part of all of that we're not separate, because sometimes our little small egoic mind wants to say, I am Brian, I'm separate from everyone else, I have my own ideas, I am my own person, I live in isolation. I think this is the tendency of the mind, is to create separation and to define things and categorize them and say, this is that and that is this and all of that, right? So it's like a remembering that we are all connected in this beautiful, wondrous, ever-renewing tapestry of life. Mm-hmm.